Oh my gosh, am I ever excited about a bunch of new features in Adobe Creative Cloud Express. Today I'm talking about one of them, the ability to make a brand and apply it to templates. It's fast, it works seamlessly, it's going to save you a bunch of time, and I know you're going to love it. I'm Phil Pallen, a brand strategist, content creator, and proud CCX ambassador. I'm so happy you're here. Hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips here on YouTube. Now let's dig into using brands in Adobe Creative Cloud Express. Start on Home and navigate next to the Brands tab, where we can create a new brand or edit an existing brand if you have one. Let's start there. Here's my brand in CCX. Having this organized and available to me is such a lifesaver. I feel like nowadays, having a personal brand or a company brand is essential. Think of your brand as a way that you show up consistently online and off, as a way to increase your awareness, to stay top of mind for your ideal audience. Your brand is like a mark of quality. If it's strong, your customer or client is going to know and crave your content and your personality. That's why this is important. CCX makes it really easy to add your brand like I've done here, your logos, colors, and fonts, and even more, you can change the look and feel of your project with themes, light, medium, and dark schemes for pages and video. You can also personalize how your logo and tagline are displayed with branded surfaces, headers, and footers, logo placement, stamp, and outro. The magic happens when you want to quickly customize one of CCX's many templates, adding your logo and colors in a single click. I'll show you that in a moment. First, I'll quickly demonstrate how to create your own brand. Back on the Brands tab, I'll choose Create a Brand and get started adding the brand ingredients, which are three things: logos, colors, and fonts. First, a logo as a JPEG or a PNG file. After it's uploaded, you'll see examples of it in action. If you don't have a logo, you can skip this step. Next, we're gonna pick colors. It will automatically pull from your logo, but you can also choose a custom color. Then choose your font. Select from many great options grouped by appearance like modern, classic, or clean. This is a modern brand, so I'm gonna choose this option right here. You can also upload your own fonts. Last step, let's give this brand a name. And in a matter of seconds, your brand is organized and available to use in Creative Cloud Express. You can add more logos, colors, or fonts if you want. If you have team members that you want to share your brand with, click Invite People, and invite them by email, or generate a URL that you can share so that they can access your brand that you just created. Now that my brand is set up, I can apply it to any template using the Design tab. I'm going to show you. I'm going to create a new project, like this template to start. Here's how it looks right out of the box. And here's how the template looks after my brand is applied. It's kind of like magic. Now, you still might want to make changes to your design, like individual elements. You can just click on the element that you'd like to change, maybe a color or a font. Really, it's that easy. For this example, I chose a flyer, but this brand can be used across any template, and there are thousands of them to choose from. Here, I'll quickly show you one more example. Let's say an Instagram post. Here's how this template looks before the brand is applied. And here's how it looks after the brand is applied. I love it. So now I want to hear from you. What did you think of the brand that I made? Would you change anything, color or font? Let me know in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. And I want to know, are you going to try this out for yourself? I certainly hope you will. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more actionable tips weekly to create more, create better, and create faster. I'm Phil Pallen. Thanks for watching.